You're watching EDS TV.
Hey, Jack.
Maybe the waiter chased him for 20 blocks after he pressed custom tip amount and then pressed 0. He gave him that knuckle sandwich drive-thru. Unless this was an ongoing chase, he had to have gone right past the cop as he sped and swerved through those lanes. Truly an idiot in a truck. It was probably a rage-induced tunnel vision. He got sick of everyone going slow in the left lane and didn't realize the reason why.
I love New York. Last year I went to New York City just 3 days, so this time I want to stay in.
The camera was able to get out of the way because he was already on the wrong side of the street. The black car never saw them because they weren't even in the lane. Oops. Every drunk moron thinks that they're in total control and that they'll never be involved in an accident till they do. Thank God for dash cams these days. Both the nice guy and the car turning would be at fault. If someone waves me across, I wave back at them to keep moving. I'll get my chance when traffic clears. The pickup driver was a definite idiot. Aggressive driving that should definitely be reported. At least their insurance rate should go up. Clearly a liability and just a matter of time before something goes badly wrong. Actually, it is a good thing that he stopped at that point for the camera to have room just in case he can't slow down in time. His fault was to fail to give way in the beginning, but I think he underestimated the camera's speed. This driver claimed that she and the camera were both backing up at the same time. Can we say insurance fraud? Because I refuse to believe someone backed up that far without looking, especially while hitting the brakes. That's definitely Milwaukee. 100% you gotta look both ways on green. People literally drive like it's GTA. Unfortunately, this was a hit and run. The BMW driver was acting like a menace and changed lanes, resulting in a bumper collision, and then he decided to flee the scene. This is terrible intersection design, but no, blasting by a car on the right-hand side through an intersection doesn't give you the right-of-way in any jurisdiction I'm aware of. If you know there's a merge coming, you need to give way to the cars in front.
Oh,
There are several idiots here. First, the idiot who expected the pole to move out of the way, then the lady who stopped in an intersection and just got out. Seriously, just drive your car away from traffic before you run out to check on the people in a wrecked vehicle. This idiot honks at the camera a split second after the light turned green just to speed around him to sit in the intersection. I absolutely loathe these idiots. These roads are annoying, allowing parking on the side but not quite wide enough for cars to pass comfortably without crowding the lane next to them. It doesn't excuse the truck hitting the car and not stopping though. Blind pedestrians weren't crossing and the light was green. The Jeep didn't need to stop and the silver SUV behind him should have paid better attention.
A few moments later.
The cops were able to score a double whammy in karma with this one. The entitled driver merges into the camera without looking or signaling, and then has the audacity to get mad at the camera. The driver claimed he got a flat tire which caused him to lose control. He was likely on his phone because dashcam footage clearly doesn't show a flat. Freezing like a deer in headlights after you are fully in the lane is truly astonishing. Some people have no common sense whatsoever. Yeah, that idiot needs to be taken off the road before he kills someone. I mean, he was taken off, but unfortunately got back on.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.